Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade.
Welcome, guys, once more on the BETONG Crypto. Today, I want us to look at some top meme coins in the space already and see whether we can trade some of them today. We are going to dive deep into um, higher time frames and lower time frames, then look at the sentiment of all the meme coins out there that we are currently trading on this platform. If say you are new here, you know the drill. This is the Beton's Crypto, a place where we learn crypto step by step with clarity, honesty, and sincerity. If you haven't yet subscribed, do smash the subscribe button early. Like the video. Let's dive straight away into our show. Yeah, I'm just gonna be looking at random coins, nothing special, nothing serious. Share the stream if say you are just joining. Let me see. Currently I'm looking at Miro the dog on the daily time frame. Miro is down minus 6%. But what I want you guys to see here is Breadcoin. It's like the sleeping giant has wake up, right? You know, it's up 31% for the day. That's massive pump to the upside. But I cannot really say that this should be a sustainable pump until we see market structure flip on the daily time frame, right? So we need to see Breadcoin flip and stay above the 50-day EMA on the daily time frame. That's why most of the time I don't chase any pump, even if a coin pump like 30% is nothing. Like a coin like this, you can see just this move here, 30%. But what about if say it has to go right up there, right? So if you catch the move correctly, you are gonna get an actual entry, you know. So you can see from where we are currently to the upside, that's about 100 and let's say, yeah, 136%. Now let's go to the lower time frame because now we have established that Bitcoin is bullish. That's what I wanted to see, is bullish on the daily time frame. So let's drop now down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we got there with Bitcoin. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm a little bit concerned here. Why? This vector candle. Okay. We when you see a huge vector like this, it's usually accompanied by recovery. Okay. That's why I think we might see some sort of downward trend tomorrow or Thursday or maybe Friday. Right? We can see Bitcoin continue to the upside, but we're gonna see recovery. At least price should recover half of this move, towards this 50-day moving average. So any retracement back to the 50-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame should be that buy. But let's just look at short-term price action. Maybe we can get something here. Okay, the alpha trend is showing us some bullish signal here that it wanna go up to an extent, but I'm not buying this. I'm not buying this. Why? These moving averages are far away, like they are so far away. You can see the 50-day moving average, the 13-day moving average, and also the 100-day moving average. Price break all of them, so price should retest them. If price hold, then that's when we can consider like buying again. So don't be surprised to see price come back here, you know, around this area here. Don't be surprised to see price here for sure. Yeah, don't be surprised to see price here. Before next week or by the end of the week, you know. Yeah. For me, this gonna be the best zone to buy, right? Because I think even though Bitcoin is doing well, we can still see Bitcoin drop right down to 75K. But I'm gonna explain to you guys maybe why Bitcoin might not be going towards that price point, right? Maybe it might throw some light to you guys so that you understand the bigger picture here. I've always tried to make sure that I I get the best possible entry before anything else. If I don't get the best possible entry, then I'm not confident that I'm gonna make money. And in this game, we have to be confident that we're gonna make money, right? Let's look at WikiCat real quick. Let's see what this bad boy has been doing recently on the daily time frame. Okay, you know, um, when I stumbled on this coin, I created videos about the coin and I share my take about the coin. Right. So looking at where we are currently, those of you who are holding Wiki Cat Coin, I will say to you that we are gonna dump. We're gonna keep dumping until we get to this price point, to this zone here. This should be the zone where you can start looking for sustainable buy if say you want to actually get the best entry, be it a trader or an investor, right? As an investor, you can start DCA here for sure because the downside is not that significant. You can start DCA here, But if say something really we see like we experience a good news in the market or something good happens, of course we can flip, to the upside, but it has to reset to the 800-day moving average at one point. And I'm saying this because we have this fair value gap here. This fair value gap here, we have it. And also we have multiple vector candles that hasn't been recovered. Cat is not done yet. We should be seeing some sort of, even though it is up to the 10%. Well, that's nothing as compared to um other coins. So if we have to drop down now to the 4 hours time frame, you're gonna see that we still have a long way to go here, right? Let me see how many percent to the downside from where we are. About, let's see, oh boy, about 60. Wow, about 54%. Yep. Can this happen? Of course, it can happen. And if it happens, then we're gonna see a massive bounce from this area. Right. Of course, guys, this is just analysis. It's not 100% certain that this must happen. Right. Price can still consolidate sideways until the 800-day moving average catch up with price. Right. Or we can break, consolidate, and then the 800-day moving average catch up with us. You know. So don't be emotional and think that okay, maybe I'm saying this is gonna be exactly the way I'm saying it. Remember, I'm just doing analysis. An analysis when it comes to analysis, we deal with probabilities, and the probability that this is gonna happen is is high, based on what is going on with Bitcoin. Okay. Now, which other coin I want us to look at here today is useless. Useless has been doing well today, 21%. And I've created videos on how you can take advantage of meme coins that have good communities, right? And the way I do this is by analyzing Bitcoin. I don't analyze meme coins for sure. I analyze only Bitcoin. Then I look at meme coins that are mimicking the Bitcoin structure. So if Bitcoin, let me just go to Bitcoin real quick. Let me show you something. This is useless, right? Okay. I'm just gonna bring in the Bitcoin chart here and compare it with useless, so you see what I'm trying to say here. Okay, now this is useless. Let's bring in Bitcoin around this section now. I'm gonna bring in Bitcoin here. So this is Bitcoin. What do you see? This is useless, and this is Bitcoin, right? You can see Bitcoin make a huge move to the 100 day moving average. You can see what happened. Useless made a huge move also to the 100 day moving average. What happened here? Bitcoin retrace back to this key area here. You can see useless also retrace back to this key area here. Bitcoin make a huge move back to the 800 the 100 day moving average. You can see useless also make a huge move to the 100 moving average. This should tell you something, that if your analysis on Bitcoin is correct, then you just need to buy useless. I can show you multiple other coins here. Let me just go back to here and show you another coin here. Let's say more coin. You can see more coin make this run to the 100 day moving average. It retrace back and look at the second one. The same thing. If I go to Breadcoin, see that Breadcoin make this move up there, retrace back, and you can see each time Breadcoin is moving, is outperforming Bitcoin. You can see clearly. Last time you see Bitcoin move up to this level, more coin outperform Bitcoin moving more. And now the same thing is happening with Bitcoin. More coin is outperforming Bitcoin. And you can see also any other coin. Let's just look at, let's say, Crepe. Okay, this is Crepe. You see Crepe. Yeah, yeah, you see this one here. Crepe make this move up there. You can see drop down. Let me. I think I'm looking at this. Let's look at this on the daily time frame. Maybe that's gonna give us more perspective on the daily time frame. See, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Let's go to Crepe on the daily time frame. So this is Crepe on the daily time frame. You see, this one is not really corresponding to that. Okay, you can see this one. Look at this, guys. Exactly, up, down, and that's the kind of thing I want to see in any meme coin that I'm trading. I want to see meme coins that actually are doing well against Bitcoin. If I see that, then I immediately jump on and want to take advantage of it. It's easy, guys, to sort out these meme coins. It's very easy. It's so easy to get it done. Now, we are at a critical zone for Bitcoin for the day, right? If this day closes bullish, we can see the next day attempt this 50-day EMA. That's why I think for Bitcoin we can still hit $100 for Bitcoin. $100,000, not $100. So let's get back into our meme coin. Crepe doing well. Let's see which other one we have here. Baby Dogecoin. Let's see. Yeah, Baby Dogecoin is still yet to, like. Okay, this is a little bit. Yeah, guys. I think from where we are, I should be buying Baby Dogecoin. Yes, Baby Dogecoin is a buy. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Okay, the reason why I say so, so this dump that happened on the 10th of October, you know, caused a lot, like it made the market makers to lose a lot of money by filling all of these orders, you know, and they have recovered everything. You can see that's why we are seeing this vector printing this buy signal. So the next daily candle is going to take us even more higher. That's why you want to pay attention. Within the next 1 hour or 2 hours, we can see Baby Dogecoin make a massive run to the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. You know, so yeah, pay attention to that. Pengu is up 25% today. Wow. Yeah, Pengu is up. Yeah, I think like okay, for us to have a healthy move, at least we should see this 4 hours candle close above here, break of structure. But if it's not able to break and like close above this zone, then it's not a good sign. Okay. This is a structure we need to break. Yeah. Anything in this range, um, price can still dump. So we can see recovery or yeah, we test to the 50-day EMA before continuation. Yeah. SATs SATs also doing well. SAT is now above um the 50-day EMA on the 4 hours time frame. SPX also doing well. Wow. SPX is on fire. This bad boy is on fire. Let me see SPX on the daily time frame. Let's see. Okay, it's still below the 50-day EMA on the daily time frame. Nothing serious, but I love what I'm seeing here. This engulfing. This is an engulfing candle. If it close positive, then the next candle will take us even more higher. And you can see SPS has recovered this dump here. You can see they have recovered all what is they lose. I mean the market makers, what they lose to move this price. You know, they have recovered everything to an extent. Um, I'm just gonna go now to yeah. If you are watching and you have any coin that you want me to look at right now, now is the time to let me know. But we're gonna just look at. Let me see more coin. Okay, more coin might be like more coin hasn't really done anything real, right? That's why I think we can see a massive spike for more coin anytime soon. You can see clearly. This little bit pullback here towards this level is recovering at least half of this move. Yeah. Um. Yeah, we can see really massive movement for more coin. Targeting this moving average here is gonna be the 200-day moving average. You know, more coin is up just 12%. And if you look at Bread coin is up 35% currently. You can see clearly break of structure, on the 4 hours time frame. This is really fantastic, and I really appreciate um the Breadcoin community. They are one of the top community on the base network. Mockcoin also is one of the two top meme coins on the base network. Mockcoin, Breadcoin. If you look at their rank in the crypto space, they are fantastic. If you go to the top meme coin, let's just see the top meme coins as of now. Let me see top meme coins as of now. Let's see. Let's go to category product. I want to go to category. Yeah, categories. I want to see memes. Um, Dogecoin, of course, is the big daddy. Shiba Inu, Pepe, meme coin. Meme coin is meme coin. Fisher Tron, Bong, Pengu, SPX, Floki, Dog with Heart, Forward Coin, Chims. You have we have Bread Coin here, and let's see where's more coin. More coin, strange. Bread Coin is sitting at, I think it's because of this 34% movement for the past for the past 24 hours. Let's see where more coin is currently at. Useless is okay. More coin is actually down. Wow, more coin need to take its place back. Okay, so you can see some of these meme coins have done so really well for the past 7 days. Like Pippin is up 260%. Wow, for the past 7 days. Tubo is up 62% for the past 7 days. So I think we are onto something for meme coins. Meme coins are actually gaining back momentum. All right, guys, you can see this is, yeah, meme coins are really doing well. They're doing well. Look at this movement here. 19%. More coin is up just 16%. That's why I think we're gonna see more coin do well. You can see wrecked 70%. Peanut just 2%. Yeah, peanut. Guys, you can look at the coins that haven't yet done well. Let's just see peanuts. Peanuts. Let's see if say it's about to break. We might get an entry for peanut before it actually happens. Yeah, peanut is up 10% today. Don't know why. I saw maybe for the past. Okay, this was for the past. Yeah, for the past 7 days, peanut. But today is up 10%. You know, yeah, companion is down 7%. Yeah, guys, generally, the meme coin space is like the top 500 meme coins. They are doing well. Most of them are doing well already. You know, and I love to stay around the top 300. If I go to the top 500, maybe it's because of something. Look at Wiki Cat here. Cat is not doing that well. That's why I think we can see Wiki Cat drop down a little bit more to to the level that I mentioned at the beginning of the show. You know, if you are joining me and you have specific coins that you want to do analysis on, just let me know, and I'm gonna do analysis on the coin. You know, which meme coins are here to? Let me see. Let's just stick to let's see, Nero. Nero is up 12%. Mm, for the past 24 hours. Comedian is Comedian is up just 5%. I don't know about this coin. Siren is up 28%. Go Home is up. Um, Go Home. Let's see. Go Home. Go Home. Go Home. I have to join it. Keep it close. Okay. I just want to go straight to trading view. Let's see. Go home. Go home. Go home. By the way, you can trade this on Mexi Global by Mexi Global. The link is found below this video. Okay, Go Home is onto something here, guys. It's onto something here. Yeah, this vector here, and price has recovered half of it already. Holding around this key support zone here. You can see the support zone here. So if you want to buy this kind of thing, you can buy it. Of course, look at this week here. This spike volatility is this is as a result of low liquidity. So you don't want to have high leverage trading. You just do spot trade. No leverage here, just spot trade. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see which other coins we have here. Meme coin hasn't really done that much, but I don't know. I've never loved that coin, meme coin. Easy money is hmm. Is this the year stuff? Let me see. I have to read this. Is it the easy money? It's strange to see that easy money. I think this should be the year stuff. That's Kanye West coin. Launched on Solana. Easy money is a concept to put you in control, free from centralized authority. Easy is a currency that powers all transactions within the easy money. Okay. I don't I don't see why it's a meme coin. Okay, I don't see why it's a meme coin. Let me see the price action for easy money currently. Yeah, look at the spike. It's not good. Like, okay. The coin need to be listed on multiple exchanges to get more and more liquidity. Or we need more liquidity provider to actually um help stabilize the price. Because any huge buy is gonna just spike price to the upside. I can see you guys watching on X. If you are watching on X, leave me a comment. I can see your comments. Can see you guys are now 37 watching me on X. If you have any comments, drop your comment, retweet, share. If you're watching and you have any coin that you want me to look at right now, feel free.
fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortunes made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortunes made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind.
Okay, I think we're gonna call this a go for today. It was awesome to be live here with you guys who was able to join me live. If you want me to keep doing something like this every evening, then yeah, feel free to comment below. Right? If you want me to just look at all the meme coins out there every evening, we can usually like we can still look at some of these coins during the like before the US session. Before the US session, we can look at some of these meme coins that are likely to pump. But I don't know whether most of you are going to be available. You know, so we can maybe do this consistently. I would love to do it consistently. I want to be consistent. I want to be consistent. I want to be consistent, knowing that you guys also want it. You know, I don't want to be I've passed that time to become here and you know not have many of you. Yeah, I can just do a video and then you guys can watch later on. But if get like 10 of you are gonna be live with me, then I can be coming here every evening. You know, we do this together. All right, guys. All the best. Those of you who are watching on X, all the best to you. Take care of yourself. Bye, 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 bye.